Kumikita ka naman, pero, nako anak, tanong ko lang, kumikita ba ang negosyo mo pero parang may kulang pa rin? You are busy pero parang wala ka pa ring saya. You're surviving pero hindi ka thriving? Let me tell you about Joanna. Joanna had a stable government job. Mataas ang sweldo, mabilis ang promotion, pero she felt empty. She was climbing the ladder pero parang mali yung building. So she made a brave decision. She left her job and became a virtual assistant. At first, masaya siya. She had freedom. She had time with her kids. She had control of her schedule. Pero after a few years, she came to me and said, Mami En, kumikita naman ako pero bakit parang may kulang pa rin? You see, Joanna was doing well financially, but her heart was not fully in it. We worked together to discover her true business calling. Turns out, what she really loved was leading teams and building systems. Today, she runs her own agency, managing social media managers. Hindi lang siya nag-earn, she's even fulfilled. Hindi lang siya busy, pero she's building something that lights her up. So anak, may negosyo ka na, pero bakit parang wala ka pa rin kasiguraduhan? Kumikita ka naman, pero parang may kulang? Busy ka, pero hindi ka naman masaya? You're working hard, pero hindi mo ramdam ang fulfillment. Then maybe it's time to ask yourself, ito ba talaga ang negosyo that I am meant to be in? Get my book, Discover Your Business Calling, and let me help you find clarity kung dapat ka bang mag-pivot, mag-adjust, or mag-continue. Because the right business, anak, does not just give you profit. It gives you peace and fulfillment. Ito yung totoo. Success without alignment is just expensive exhaustion. You can have all the sales, all the clients or customers, all the followers, but if your business does not align with your calling, you will always feel like something is missing. So ask yourself today, am I just making money or am I living my purpose? Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.